Libyan cuisine, Bazeen, solid rice, couscous, Tunisian steamed rice dish, Sharba Libiya, soup, Asida, solid cake. Libyan cuisine is a reflection of the country's rich history, with influences from Mediterranean and North African cuisine. One of the most popular dishes in Libya is Bazeen, a hearty and fry. Bazeen is a staple in Libyan cuisine, and is often served during special occasions such as weddings and festivals. It is made by mixing flour, water, and olive oil to form a dense dough. Couscous is a popular dish in Libya, but with a unique twist that sets it apart from other North African countries. In Libya, couscous is typically served as a side dish rather than a main course. Sharba Libiya is a spicy soup made with lamb or beef, and is often served during Ramadan or other special occasions. The soup is typically made with a variety of vegetables and spices, such. Asida is a dense and sweet bread that is often served with honey or date syrup. It is made by mixing flour, water, and honey or sugar to form a thick dough, which is then cooked over a fire. In addition to the aforementioned dishes, Libyan cuisine also boasts a variety of other flavorful and unique dishes. Here are a few more examples. Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a popular dish in Libya and other North African countries, made by simmering tomatoes, onions, peppers, and spices in a skillet, and then cracking eggs into the mixture to cook. Mbabka. Mbabka is a traditional Libyan stew made with lamb or beef, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, and a variety of spices. The dish is often served with bread or couscous, and makes for a hearty and. Harissa. Harissa is a spicy chili paste that is commonly used in Libyan cuisine as a condiment or seasoning. It is made by grinding dried chili peppers and other spices into a paste, and is often mixed. Mafrum. Mafrum is a dish made of stuffed potatoes, typically filled with ground beef or lamb, onions, and spices. The stuffed potatoes are then fried and often served with tomato sauce or yogurt d. Kara asalia. Kara asalia is a traditional Libyan dessert made with pumpkin, honey, and spices such as cinnamon and nutmeg. The pumpkin is baked in the oven and then mixed with honey and spices to create. Libyan cuisine also features a variety of street foods and snacks that are popular among locals and visitors alike. Here are a few examples. Ftaira. Ftaira is a type of flatbread that is popular throughout Libya. It is made from a mixture of flour, water, salt, and yeast, and is often topped with cheese, tomatoes, and olives. Ftaira is tea. Brick. Brick is a fried pastry that is filled with a variety of ingredients, such as tuna, potatoes, and eggs. The pastry is typically made from a thin layer of dough, which is folded around the fill. Mabaten.